Make sure it's turned off before you start. It kind of went on by itself. What happened? What happened? Did it die already? Uh-oh. Hi everyone, Rainy here, and in this video I want to do an unboxing of my two most recent toys, the Craftsman 3 amp palm sander, so orbital sander, and the 4-gallon Shop-vacs that I got. And so it's going to be unboxing and connecting them together and using them to see how they work together. See how, if they actually keep a lot more of the dust out so I can breathe better. So let's go ahead and get started. First of all, the Craftsman 3 amp palm sander, or orbital sander, whatever you want to call it. And I searched a few places before I found this. And it comes with instructions, sander, that thing, the bag. So this does come with a bag too. So let's put that right here. Pretty simple, not many moving parts. You got a sander. This is the, what is it, 4-inch, I think they call it? 5-inch, yeah, 5-inch. 5-inch orbital sander. And I am going to connect the Shop-vac to here, but it's designed with this as well. Oh, just that easy. That's pretty slick. You're missing the top of my head. And on, off. What else is going here? There's really nothing else to it. So it seems pretty simple. And I even got myself a nice 40 grit to put on there. Let's see, it's always so fun to line up the holes, especially when it's kind of dark. There we go. Of course, they're like, it's like a Velcro where it holds on. So we'll put that to the side and we'll get back to it. I was looking at some other ones, and there was one, oh, I don't remember which one it was. I think it was a Hercules when I was at Harbor Freight. Nice one. It had all the universal vacuum joint and all that, but it was really heavy, and I figured, hey, I'm going to get tired of using this after a while. So with all the sanding I'm going to be doing. And I looked at the wireless ones, or cordless ones, and a lot of them are like, oh, we'll give you 40 minutes of usage, 50 minutes of usage, you know. And they weren't a brand that I already had, so that means another charger, another 2 batteries at least, so I can keep swapping. And, you know, the chargers and the batteries cost more than the machine usually. So let's put this over here. And this one I already cut it open. So let's see what's in here. I haven't taken it out of the box yet. Wow. They pack them in there pretty nice. You know, when you try to put them back in the box, it never works the same way. So, we have one wand. We have a hose. Another wand. The sweeper thingy. Oh, this one actually has bristles on it. The last one I had was just straight, and it really didn't pick up much, so this is going to be really nice for the ground. Picking up all the sawdust. Comes with another one. I wonder what's different about this one. This one has bristles all the way around it. Huh. Oh, look at that. It has little buttons on the back. This is cool. I don't know if you can see them. When I press one down, the other one comes out and it makes the bristles get bigger. See that? Wow, that's going to be nice. I could even use it on, you know, if I have pile, or if it's, you know, pile carpet, or, now watch. See? Push that one down. Oops. And it goes in. It's like magic. Isn't that cool? Woohoo! Nice for beard. Now don't do this at home. This is brand new, so it's still clean. Hasn't touched the floor yet. I know I get all kinds of comments. Ew, he was on the floor. Then he brushed his beard. See? No sawdust. All right. I like this. So there's two of them. What else is in here? Oh, look at that. Here's a bag. Now I'm half in the bag. You would think so. People always ask if I'm half in the bag. Ugh. No. All right. Now it's time for the machine to come out. Oh, wait. Before I do, there's more tools. There's this little round brush. It's got plastic on it. Okay, I know you want to see, right? Wow, I like this. I like this. Oh, the cost, I believe, was $99. And this one, oh gosh, what was it? It was like 59 or 60 bucks. I can't remember. But you'll find out if you go online. Oh, this is really nice. Look at those bristles. Huh. Hey, I guess I have no reason not to clean around here, huh? As I throw the paper on the ground. Yeah. You probably were all wondering. Oh, here's another. Guess for heavy duty stuff. This one doesn't have bristles on it, which should leave them on all. And yes, it comes with a crevasse tool. Da, da, da. So pretty much everything you would ever want. All right. Then, oh, what's in here? Gee. Oh, these are the wheels. And some round things. I guess I'll read the instructions when it comes to putting that together. But for right now, it's an unboxing. Right? So here is the actual, let's see. Here is the actual vac itself. Look at that, huh? Now, I know everything is angled because I'm doing this on the hull of my boat. So it comes with a really long cord. How long a cord is this? Wow. It's a 7-foot hose and a 20-foot cord, so I can go 27 feet. My other one was 6 foot. So the reason why this does have wheels, but I got something smaller because I'm always pulling it around and I don't want it to fall over, which it has been the other ones. And it has, oh, this is big wheels for the back. So I'll show you once I put it together. I'll pause this to put the whole thing together. So it looks like it has big wheels and small wheels. And it has like a caddy in the back for all the tools. See that? And nice little vent on the back. Intake on the front. Well, this must be for the cords. And oops, what's going on? Oh, there it goes. Okay. Little filter. Inside comes another, I guess this is a filter to go around the filter to keep junk out of it, and the manual. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and read through the manual a bit, get the wheels on, and then I'll come back and show you how everything works. See you in a bit. Okay, I pretty much got it figured out. I actually read the instructions. That's very rare for me. So, I put the whole thing together, and it has nice big wheels in the back, and little ones. And when it gets nice out this summer, I'll see if I can sit on it and go down the street with it. Reminds me of a kid's big wheel. But that would be the end of it, so we won't do that. Okay, now here's the top of the machine. I want to show you about the filtering system. Okay, it comes with this cage right here. Can you see that? Let's make this down. Okay, now if I want to use it for dry stuff, I have this little sponge. Just put this on top of here if I'm just picking up dust or sawdust, and use it that way. Okay, I guess you can push it down. It says push it down until it actually goes underneath there a little bit. So that's what I would do for that. Now I'm going to be using this for the dust from, you know, sanding down the boat and with the fiberglass. So it says in that case, I would use this thing over here, okay, and a bag. Did it give me? Oh, it gave me a bag. A bag which is over here. So I could use just a bag if I'm picking up, you know, dust also and junk that I want to pick up. But it says if I'm using the, you know, with the fiberglass, this would be better to have with it. And this can be used for wet or dry. To clean it, you can just, you know, sweep it off. I use my leaf blower. Or you can actually wash it from the inside. So it's kind of heavy duty. Okay, so to go put this on, oops, this goes on this way. And then this goes on and screws on the inside. And hold on to the filter itself and screw that on. I say hold on to the filter base probably. There we go. Don't screw it on too hard. I screwed it on so hard that I had to use my plumber's pliers there, my pipe pliers, to loosen it. So I'm going to give it just a little bit. There we go. So that's how that goes. So let's talk about the bag. To put the bag on, suppose we've got to take this thing off in here. This thing on the inside is the thing that slides up and down. It can go either left or right. And it said there's only one way to connect it. Ooh, look at that, huh? Only one way to connect it, so I guess since this is lengthwise, that has to go in lengthwise like this is also. So let's see if we can get that in there. Ah, slides right in, good. Push it all the way in. There we go. And it slides. Take it and wrap it around, it says. But we want to open it up a little bit. Or do we? There we go. Open it up a little bit so we know it's going to open. And that's going to wrap around there. And this is going to slide. See that in there? It's going to slide right back in that slot. And to get that on and off, you have to make sure the hose isn't in there, because if the hose is in, you can't slide that out. Okay, so now we want to make sure that this is in the middle of that. There we go. Whoops. Is that going to whoops backwards? Ah. And I think we're golden. So we have that hooked up there. And I'm going to undo this. All the intricate work setting it up. And I'm being outdone by a twist tie. There we go. Save those, you can never have enough twist ties. Look at the size of this cord. Yowza. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this down on the ground somewhere, because I can't leave it up here. It's going to keep on falling. Oh. But before I do, let's take the hose off. I'm not going to need that. Let's see, I'll put that out of the way in a minute. But I don't know if I showed you, this thing has a caddy over there. I can put all the tools in. I can actually put the tools here if I want. So it has quite a few really neat features. Oh, I can see the cord goes around there too. So, the cord. And put it right on here. Yeah, it just screws on. And we are all set to go. just gotta plug this into something. It's all plugged in, ready to go. And let's move the box out of the way. Move the instructions out of the way. Get everything straightened out so we can use it. So I'm going to leave this here, but let's go ahead and try the sander first, how the sander works by itself. Whoa. Make sure it's turned off before you start. It kind of went on by itself. Okay, so let's take a look at how the sander works. Let's see, I started to sand some of this. And a lot of this is still really rough, like over here. So. What happened? What happened? Did it die already? Uh-oh. Technical difficulties. Oh, there we go. You know what I did? I'm used to running my hand like this. As it was running, I was putting pressure. I turned it off. I was going to go check the fuse breaker. There we go. Keep my finger on the side. That was fiberglass resin I had. I mean the epoxy resin, and it sanded through it like nothing. So that's with this thing on there. So we're taking this off, and I'm going to put this on. Fit right in there. Look at that. I'm pretty pleased with it. Didn't see any dust flying around. I'm sure there is because it's all the microscopic stuff. And that was just for a test. And don't worry, when I'm ready to use it, where is it? I do wear this thing, okay, my Darth Vader mask. Covered up with a shirt right now so I don't get dust in there. So there you have it. The Craftsman Orbital sander. And the, whoa, way down there, Shop-vac. Yeah, Shop-vac, by Shop-vac. And it says right on the paperwork, if it doesn't say Shop-vac, it's not a Shop-vac. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I am crooked, here we go. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you'd like to see more unboxing and demonstrations like this, send me stuff. I love to be reviewing things just like Christmas. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye now.